Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do thanks to you.
Hi Ma'am, happy Teacher's Day po. God bless you and we love you.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers and also Ma'am Ninya. Maraming salamat po sa ginawa niyo sa amin sa pagtuturo. Happy Teacher's Day po.
Hi Teacher Ninya. Happy Teacher's Day. Take care always and I love you.
Teacher Ninya, Happy Teacher's Day. Ma'am, Teacher, Guro,
maraming salamat po. Bagamat minsan kami makulit at minsan hindi nakikinig,
Andyan pa rin kayo upang turuan kami.
kahit kulang ang oras ninyo sa pamilya nyo, nandiyan pa rin kayo upang turuan kami. Kaya happy?
Happy!
Happy!